This is a 3-story townhouse located in the suburb in Shanghai. Walking inside, you can see that the renovation is on the way. And the central air conditioning circuit has just been completed. Now it's time to install floor heating. The first step is to locate the manifold. Due to its 3-story building structure, 3 manifolds are required. Let's take a look at how to install it. The back panel is made of EPP foam board produced by our company, which facilitates horizontal positioning. At the same time, it can protect the manifold. Finally, let's see the location of the manifolds on each floor. If you want to know more about Chinese on the floor heating and construction site, please hit the subscribe button below and leave your comment.